This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We try and bring you 1 to 2 business or market insight episodes a day. This is a short episode about UnitedHealthcare, and the title of this will be UnitedHealthcare Gets Crushed. And we're just going to go through 7 or 8 quick points related to UnitedHealthcare. So on Tuesday, the 27th, the stock of UnitedHealthcare, we're towards the very end of the day now, dropped by about 20% for the day. It's also down about 48% over the last 52 weeks. So really, there's a good, bad, and ugly here story. First, earnings for last year and revenues for last year came out pretty well. Earnings per share for the fourth quarter ended up above expectations. They ended up in revenues for the year at $448 billion, making United about the third or fourth largest company by revenues in the United States. So that's all good news. The bad news is they're projecting lower revenues next year. This is about the first time in about 40 years, 4 decades, that they've projected reduced revenues versus growth in revenues. So that's bad news. The Optum Health business also struggled. They're also expecting a contraction in Medicare and Medicaid membership enrollment. And finally, the medical loss ratio has skied to about 89%. Now, I've been watching medical loss ratios for the last 10 years or so, not before that. I don't remember really it being top of mind. Remember during COVID and before that, medical loss ratios being in the 82, 85% range. When they got to 85, 86%, the health insurers started to have more trouble. Now, when you see United last year at 89.1%, those are really challenging numbers for insurers. Now, as a healthcare consumer, as a healthcare operator, we think medical loss ratios should be pretty high because more dollars should be devoted towards healthcare than to administrative costs. But either way, from a health insurance perspective, these are challenging numbers. Now, the thing I'll also point out about today's earnings release and what's happening with United is it's not unique to United. The other big insurers are also taking it on the chin today. Both the Medicaid insurers and the Medicare insurers and the commercial insurers, everybody's taking it on the chin. Humana's also down about 19% today. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much.